Event number 2 is a two-parter. Part 1 gives the athletes 7 minutes to build up to a heavy complex of 1 clean plus 1 front squat plus 1 jerk. Score will be the total load lifted between both partners. Athletes will then have 2 minutes to transition outside, where they'll complete 4 time in a 16-minute cap the following chipper: 400-meter run, 30 sandbag clean to shoulder, 400-meter run, 60 box jump overs, 400-meter run, 90 alternating dumbbell snatch, and finishing out with 1 more 400-meter run. The runs are all done together, and for the sandbag, the box jump over, and the alternating dumbbell snatch, partner A has to complete all of their reps first before partner B completes theirs. So for the sandbag, as an example, partner A has to complete all 15 reps before partner B can complete their 15. Have fun. Athletes have 7 minutes to find a heavy complex and are required to take 3 attempts each. The bar can start preloaded. Once weight has been added, it cannot come off. Athletes are permitted to use a power clean. On the front squat, hips below the knees. For the jerk, athletes can use any style jerk that finishes with elbows extended and bar over the midline. As you can see, athletes can help each other load weight throughout part 1 of the event. Please make sure to declare your load you are using to the judge prior to each attempt. If choosing to use the full clean for the complex, there is no depth requirement. The front squat depth standard is still hips below the knees. If using the split jerk, athletes need to demonstrate control, bringing both feet back to center with arms locked out overhead for the lift to be considered successful. For part 2, once both partners cross the 400-meter line, they can proceed to the sandbag clean to shoulder. Athletes are required to clean the sandbag to the top of the shoulder and remove one arm to demonstrate control and position. Athletes are permitted to cycle reps as long as the bag and not the athlete's hands contact the mat. Athletes are permitted to drop the bag from shoulder height and reset prior to the next rep. The box jump overs. Athletes can jump at any angle as long as 2 feet clearly touch the top of the box at some point before the athlete steps down to the other side. Pogos are not allowed. Intermediate athletes can use the step over with the same requirement to have 2 feet clearly touch the top of the box before stepping down. As with the box jump over, athletes can step over at any angle. On the alternating dumbbell snatch, both heads of the dumbbell need to make contact with the mat, and the arm needs to finish overhead with elbow extended to be considered a clean rep. Athletes may transition the dumbbell to the other hand at any time.